Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, I love you. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. And if you just see my face for the first time, or if you're just watching my video on YouTube for the first time, I want you to do like a very tiny little thing for me. Just click the subscribe button down below. You know, it's just a very cute red button down below. Just click the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel so that I'll be getting notifications as soon as I put up new videos. I love you for clicking that button. So today's makeup tutorial is on how to fix your false lashes. I put up a poll on Instagram asking if you want to see a video on how to fix false lashes, and aside that, a lot of people have been telling me, oh my god, Ada, your lashes are so nice, this is your lashes, come and teach us now, come and teach us now. And I decided and I thought, okay, so do these people like really deserve like how to fix false lashes? I know there are a couple of videos on YouTube, so why me? Why me? Anyways, let me first tell you my history behind fixing lashes. Before I started wearing false lashes, I had to buy like a dozen of false lashes, like a whole dozen of false lashes. Those regular ones they sell in the market for 200, 250, 300 naira. I bought like a dozen, and I kept on trying every day to fix false lashes. And can you believe that a dozen went bad? Like, it was so bad. It went bad. Like, I wasted a dozen of lashes, and yet I still didn't know how to fix lashes. And one fateful day like that, I said, let me just try. I started buying human hair lashes, and I'm like, if I'm going to pour these lashes today, then that is it for me. I'll stop doing makeup videos. I'll stop wearing lashes. In as much as people keep saying, Ada, you self wear lashes now. You know, it's the other people used to be wear lashes, and I'm like, I beg, I cannot fix lashes, not by force. But on that fateful day, I decided to try, and it worked. So, as I was saying, I tried that day, and it worked. That was like in December 2015 or so. And since after then, I don't go out, like when I have events, I don't go for events without wearing lashes. So much talk, too much. If you want to see how I fix this pair of falsies on my eye, please keep watching. And if you also want to see a video of this look, I think this video is gonna go up pretty soon, either before the false lashes or after the false lashes. So let's get on with the video. So for this tutorial, you're going to be needing a pair of falsies. This is the regular false lashes I got in the market. I've been using this falsies since like last year, probably like in October or so. You're going to be needing a pair of tweezers. There are other very cute ones in the market as well, and you're going to be needing like eyelash glue. This is from Eye. This is Eye, and this is what I use. And let's get on with this video. So the first thing you want to do is to just pull your lashes from the lash pack. This one is already pre-pulled. Let me just put it that way. It's already pre-pulled because I've been using these lashes for like the longest of time. And I'm going to just bring up one of these lashes. Okay, I'm just going to hold it like this. For some that are not bent, you can decide to bend them so that to give you that curve. But this is already bent, and I don't really need any extra bent with. So I'm just going to drop it, and I'm going to pour my glue on the back of my palm and use the head of my, or the tail of my tweezer to pick the glue and apply it on the lash band. So I'm just going to take like a little quantity and apply on the band. I don't know if you can see me. So you just want it to like dry a little bit. I'm just cleaning up excesses. You just want it to dry like a little bit so that you can eventually. So for false lashes, you know there's always a shorter end and there's always a longer end. So the shorter end has to go like in here, while the longer one has to flirt out. So I'm going to be placing this directly on, very close to your natural lashes. So you want to place the falsies very close to your natural lashes. I'm closing my eyes, but not really closing my eyes, like I'm looking down, and I'm trying to put this very close to my own natural lash band. So I'm taking my time. At the same time, I'm not so slow about it so that the glue doesn't just dry up before I eventually place the falsies on my original lash. So I'm using a pair of tweezers to do this. My hair was getting in the way, so I had to use one hand to hold my hair and use the other hand to hold the tweezer. So I'm just trying to adjust it to make sure it actually stays put. So I'm going to be using my fingers to clip down the lashes, to press it down. So I'm pressing my own original lash with the false lashes together. So that's how one eye looks like. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other eyes, looking down a bit and trying to place the falsies directly close to my original lashes. So thank God for eyeliner helping. So I'm trying to make sure it gets pretty close. I know a lot of people might be scared and say, this thing is going to take off my original lashes, but I don't think it's going to. The whole idea is for you to make sure it is close to your original lashes, so when you look up, it doesn't look as if there's one big demarcation of your falsies and your own natural lash. So I'm just doing the same thing I did for the other hand. I'm going to be pressing them down together so that they could blend in well. So you might want to just go in back with a gel liner just to camouflage the lash band. So I'm going to be going in with my favorite gel liner from Car.